Hello, my dear students, grade 5. In the previous lesson, we talked about the computer hardware and the software. Okay, and we said that hardware is divided into two or three sections actually, which is input and output and the storage devices. And the aims of our lesson was to understand the term of the hardware, which is the physical part of the computers, and to understand the term of input and output and storage devices, and to be able to give an examples for all the hardware and the input and the output as well. And we talked about what is an input devices, and we said that the input devices are the hardware which allows you to put the data into a computer system to enter, such as a keyboard and the mouse. And we talked about also the output devices, and we said it is also the hardware which allows you to receive data from the computer system, which is output. Okay, and we talked we given examples of those devices, and especially those are the input devices such as the keyboard and the mouse, and the scanner, and the fingerprint and the touchpad as well. And we have talked about also the output, and we said that the output is the data that has been processed into a useful form, which called information. Okay, there are four types of the output: the text and the graphic and the audio and the video. We talked as well as about the input devices, that it is any hardware that let you or capable to delivering or showing information on to a user or more user. An output devices shows that print and present the result of the computer's work. Example like for the output devices is the speaker, the monitor, the printer, and the plotters. And we have talked about those parts and the function of all these parts, and that was all about the lesson. Thank you very much for being in it.